Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Hope everyone is safe in their house. Today it's part 2 for insurance. What is the necessity things to look at when you are buying an insurance? Number 1, when you buy a new car, you should take the maximum insurance of nil dip, bumper to bumper with engine protect, key loss, everything. They only give it for 5 years, first 5 years only, and every year you can claim twice. What all it covers? It covers bumper to bumper, like from start, any damage to the car, from bumper to bumper, any consumables, and if there is a loss of key, anything, the total cost is paid by the insurance company. But there will be a claim charges of 1,000 to 2,000 which has to be borne by the insurer who is asking for a claim. Next, the coverages are there for passengers also inside. Driver will get a coverage for any injury, or passengers in the car, they also will get cover of the insurance. Then it gets protection for flood, theft, earthquake. Then even it gets cover for burglary, someone who's robbed the car, return to invoice, you get the entire price of the car. You have to make sure that you get the best coverage for the maximum IDV for the car. Happy driving, safe driving. Subscribe the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.